now the fun starts. With this particular 6 words, if you are able to, I will actually request you to by heart these words. And at any given point of time, in any situation, if you close your eyes and think about these 6 words that are most important to you, will define your outcome in any situation. And as our sessions go ahead, these baselines would always be the foundation of what we are going to achieve. Okay. So now, for example, like Sachin said, his first baseline is family and power and freedom. One of the baseline was these 3 baselines. Okay. So now, if in case Sachin, you try to remember any given decision that you have taken, or if we relate these baselines to the wheel of life activity that we had done in your 8 areas of life. So if you are just able to think, okay, if these baselines have been met, you would have been much more happier or have achieved much more on a routine basis. And in any given particular area, if your baselines are not matching, the result of the wheel of life would have been on a lower scale. So, do you
Correct.
agree?
Correct. Correct.
So, this is what we spoke about. If the baselines are expressed, the outcome is happiness, fulfillment, or success. And if we look at the other part of it, if your baselines in your life are not met, you go with wrong decisions, you are uncertain about things, and final outcome is you always stay confused about what has to be done. So,
Yes,
this
man.
is what we spoke about initially, the baselines, and what is the advantage if those baselines are expressed in your day-to-day activities and if your baselines are not expressed. So we will do a very quick activity on your hub. You can see the tool which will tell you to mention all your 6 baselines, and after you mention your baselines, there are 8 columns in the manual, and these 8 columns are basically the 8 areas, the 8 important areas that we discussed in the wheel of life. So you can write it down in the space that is given in the box. If your baseline is met, what is the outcome? And similarly, on page number 14, you will see if your baselines are not met, that is non-expression. Okay, you can write down those particular things.